Hello friends, today we are going to discuss circulatory system of the human being in the biology portion of the science, which is useful for all the students from standard 6 to 12. In the human beings, the system which is concerned with the transportation and circulation, it is called circulatory system. And in human beings, the transportation of various nutrients, enzymes, hormones, oxygen, carbon dioxide is performed by a very essential and very important organ, a pump-like organ by a human heart. So today in circulatory system particularly we will study about the internal structure of the heart as well as entry of oxygen into the blood through lungs. So for the answer part, first of all, we need to draw a neat and clean and a level diagram of human heart. Now let's see the internal structure of the heart. So we have written over here, the shape of the human heart is cone shape, like a ice cream cone or like a cape of joker in circus. So the shape of human heart is cone shape and the size of human heart is like a closed fist. Third point, in human heart there are 4 chambers and the human heart is located in between these two lungs slightly toward the left side in our chest region. In human heart there are 4 chambers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of these 4 chambers, upper 2 chambers are called atrium, this one and this one. Upper 2 chambers are called atrium and lower 2 chambers, this one and this one, they are called ventricles. The presence of these 4 chambers is because of to prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Now out of this upper 2 and lower 2 chambers, upper chamber which is located toward the right side, it is called right atrium, and one which is toward the left side, it is called left atrium. And the lower 2 chambers are called ventricle, and out of these 2 ventricle, one which is located toward the right side, it is called right ventricle, and one which is located toward the left side, it is called left ventricle. Now you will think it is our right side and we have labeled over here left atrium, but we have to view this diagram from this point. So this become left atrium, this become right atrium, and lower side right ventricle, left ventricle. Now there is a presence of valve between atrium and ventricle. The valve which is present between right atrium and right ventricle, it is called tricuspid valve, and the valve which is present between left atrium and left ventricle, it is called bicuspid valve. And the function of this valve is to prevent the backward flow of the blood from the ventricle to the atrium. So this was the internal structure of the heart. Now we will discuss entry of oxygen into the blood through lungs by superior and inferior vena cava. This Y-shaped blue colored tube, it is called superior vena cava and it is called inferior vena cava. So by superior and inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood means oxygen, blood without oxygen, deoxygenated blood comes to the right atrium. At the same time, left atrium will receive oxygenated blood, means blood with oxygen, from the lungs through pulmonary vein. I repeat again, by the superior vena cava and by the inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood means blood without oxygen comes to the right atrium, and at the same time left atrium will receive oxygenated blood, means blood with oxygen comes to the left atrium from the lungs through pulmonary veins. Now both these atrium will contract, so deoxygenated blood from the right atrium passes to the right ventricle through tricuspid valve, and oxygenated blood from the left atrium passes to the left ventricle by a bicuspid valve. Now both these ventricle will contract, so oxygenated blood from the left ventricle passes to the whole body, and deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle will passes to the lungs to get the oxygen. And these cycles continuously, repeatedly, and this way blood gets oxygen from the lungs and oxygenated blood passes to the whole body. So this was our circulatory system, particularly internal structure of the heart as well as entry of oxygen into the blood through lungs. This question is very important on the basis of the exam point of view, and it is frequently asked question, and it is very important for all the students from standard 6 to 12. It is important for the primary students as well as high school section students. In the next video, we will study another system. Thank you.